So today we can review this Yuja Niacin set by Some by Me. Some by Me is a Korean company and it's part of the K Beauty products. I got this set last December in one of those random sales and it cost me 2,499 shillings for 4 mini products, or as we would like to call it, travel size products. I like this set because of the size and also because it lets me test the product because I actually buy it. Okay, so let's get into it. So the set comes with 4 products and I'm gonna go through each one and give them a rating and talk about the things I like and the things I don't like. Important things to note is that the set promises 5% niacinamide in addition to the citrus junose extract. I'm not sure what that does, to be fair, but niacinamide is known for brightening, and so a lot of the set claims are around brightening and blemish care, which we're going to test it for. So the first is a Yuja Niacin toner. It smells citrusy. It's actually one of the highest ranking ingredients, the citrus junose extract, so that's why it has a very strong lemon orange smell, along with 5% niacinamide, which is what technically the whole range is about. It has a slightly slimy but watery consistency. It's literally just like a lot more slimy than a witch hazel toner, and it has, of course, the very strong citrusy smell. The application is okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. It dries tacky, which is something I don't like. Like, I don't like after doing skincare, you touch your face and then it's sticky. I don't like it. So I didn't really enjoy using it, and for that I'm gonna give it a 2.5 out of 5. Yuja Niacin serum smells pretty similar. In fact, the texture is actually pretty similar to the toner. It's just a little bit thicker, but it's way lighter than normal serum textures. So I didn't like about that. It dries down tacky as well, and it comes to the level of peelage. For some reason, you, I think, have to tap the product in. You can't rub it because it starts sort of foaming. So I don't really like it. And for that, I'm going to give it a 2.5 out of 5. Yuja Niacin Moisture Gel Cream is the next one. So it's a gel, it's a transparent gel. And when I saw it, I was like, I don't think this is going to be moisturizing. Turns out I was right. It literally feels like applying aloe vera gel if you've ever applied on your face, except it's tacky. And I don't know why they created that. And then when it dries down, it feels like it didn't necessarily apply anything. If you want a good water gel cream, It's Skin has a good one, and I absolutely love how it dries out and how it feels. This is not it. And it was my least favorite product, so I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5 because I didn't like it. Then the fourth product in the set is the Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask. This is arguably my best product in the set. It dispenses in a pale yellow, almost cream lotion, and it's really light. For a sleeping cream, it's like, are you sure this is a sleeping cream? But if it was a moisturizer, that would be really, really good. Like if it was labeled moisturizer, sleeping creams are moisturizers. It's an absolute joy to apply and still has a strong citrusy smell. I think it's because it has jojoba oil and silicones that make it so nice to apply. It leaves your skin feeling very silky and luxuriously moisturized, which is really nice. And I absolutely love it. And that I'm gonna give a 3.85 out of 5. It's closer to a 4. Now, this set has a lot of essential oils. If you're not an essential oils person, maybe this set is absolutely not for you. And also it has a lot of ingredients. I think it's something that Some by Me does. Some people are not necessarily comfortable with that. Like the list is so hard to comb through. But also it could have captured a bunch of things that you would have enjoyed. But overall, I think the set would be like a 3 out of 5 just because of the scent. I generally prefer things that don't have a scent for my face. And also, if the scent is there, it's a very, very tiny and very fresh smelling, not citrus. Citrus is a bit much. Yeah, did I see any brightening? Absolutely not. I've used the products for a while. I know they say you should use 30, but I think by week 2 you should have seen. And I used it for pretty much 2 weeks, and no, I didn't see any significant improvement. So I think this ones I'll be passing. Yeah.